Hello kids, welcome to my channel Shino Kids. Kids, in this video we are going to learn words starting with alphabet E. Are you ready kids? Let's start. This is uppercase E. This is lowercase E. Sound of E is Sound of E is Now, kids, let's read some words starting with E. Elephant. Elephant. Eggs. Eggs. Envelope. Envelope. Eagle. Eagle. Ears. Ears. Eyes. Eyes. Engine. Engine. Eight. Eight. Eggplant. Eggplant. Eraser. Eraser. 11. 11. Entrance. Entrance. Earth. Earth. Elbow. Elbow. Empty. Empty. Exercise. Exercise. Elf. Elf. Escalator. Escalator. Eel. Eel. Emu. Emu. 80. 80. Edge. Edge. Earrings. Earrings. Electricity. Electricity. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. 18. Equal. Equal. Exam. Exam. Elk. Elk. Elders. Elders. Email. Email. Even numbers. Even numbers. East. East. Evening. Evening. Experiment. Experiment. Excited. Excited. Earbuds. Earbuds. Thank you, kids. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.